This is the second day of a jury trial of a woman facing murder charges. Several people were brought to the witness stand, including Lima police officers and the Lucas County deputy coroner. Our Sartaj Singh has more.
Thank you all. Please be seated.
A jury trial for a Lima woman facing murder charges entered into its second day. Michelle Alves is accused of the murders of Charles and Teresa Sanders back in June of 2020. The first day of court established the scene of the alleged crime, where Charles reportedly took a gun that did not belong to him from a living room table, which prosecutors state led to Alves confronting both victims before shooting them. The trial's second day began with the defendant's boyfriend taking the witness stand, where he testified that after he was asked where his gun was by Alves, he exited the living room, where then he heard gunshots. A Facebook post from the defendant that was thought to be on the alleged crime was also brought up in court, where Alves posted that she doesn't feel remorse. She later states in the post that Charles and Teresa were going to rob her. Lima police officers who responded to the scene were then brought up next by the state. The officers testified to entering the home and immediately finding both Charles and Teresa Sanders, while also finding multiple bullet casings in the living room, as well as the gun that Charles allegedly took. Lucas County Deputy Coroner Jeffrey Hudson shared his findings on his autopsy report, saying that there is no evidence of close-range fire. Charles's cause of death was ruled as a gunshot wound by manner of homicide. Teresa's cause of death was multiple gunshot wounds, also by manner of homicide. A recess was then granted by Judge Jeffrey Reed after the defense requested time to properly review an interview done by detectives with the defendant that is expected to be played in court. The trial is anticipated to reach closing arguments Thursday, and from there, the jury will deliberate on a decision in the case. In Lima, Sartaj Singh, your News Now.
Thank you, Sartaj.